told you that you could start speaking English confidently in the next 30 days, without grammar books, without expensive courses, and without memorizing thousands of words, would you believe me? Stay with me for the next few minutes, because today I'm giving you the exact system that transformed thousands of English learners. And it will transform you too. Tip 1. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. When you translate every sentence from your native language to English back to native, your brain slows down. Instead, start with simple thoughts in English. For example, instead of translating, Main paani pinjarahahun. Just think, I'm going to drink water. Repeat after me. I'm hungry. I need a break. This is easy. I can do this. I'm feeling good today. I understand this. I'm learning fast. I'm improving every day. I'm not scared to speak English. I can express my ideas clearly. Speaking English feels natural. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be confident. I'm getting better one sentence at a time. This builds real fluency. Tip 2. Use the 100-word rule. You don't need thousands of words. You only need 100 common words to start speaking freely. Words like you they want need go come, make take today now. Here's how powerful it is. With just these words, you can form hundreds of sentences. I like this. I don't understand. Can you help me? I have an idea. Let's do it tomorrow. I'm busy right now. We can try again. Do you know the answer? I need some time. This looks great. That sounds perfect. Can we talk later? I'll call you back. Let's meet outside. I want to learn more. Simple plus clean plus fluent. Tip 3. Use the 3-line conversation formula. This is the easiest system to start speaking daily. Every conversation has just 3 parts. Start. Share. Ask. Let me show you. Example conversation. A. Hey, how's your day going? Start. B. Pretty good. I just finished some work. Share. A. Nice. What's your plan for the evening? Ask. If you learn this formula, you will never get stuck. Tip 4. Shadowing technique. This is the secret method used by actors, voice artists, and top language learners around the world, the shadowing technique. It improves your accent, fluency, speed, confidence, and natural speaking style all at once. Here's how to do it. Play a video or audio in English. Speak at the same time, don't wait, don't pause. Copy the tone, speed, and style just like you're acting. You're training your mouth, your ears, and your brain together. This is how you start sounding natural, not robotic. Fire Mini Practice 1. Repeat after me, match my speed. English speaking is a skill. The more I practice, the better I get. I can speak clearly. I can speak confidently. I learn something new every day. Fire Mini Practice 2, Natural Conversational Lines. Now let's shadow real-life sentences. Hey, can you hear me clearly? Just give me 1 second. That sounds really good to me. I'll get back to you soon. Let me check and I'll tell you. Fire Mini Practice 3, Longer Fluent Speech. Try shadowing these full sentence blocks. Don't pause, just flow with me. I'm trying to improve my English every single day because I know small practice creates big results. Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. Mistakes help me learn faster. I'm not afraid to speak English anymore. I'm becoming more confident with every sentence. Fire bonus tips to increase the power of shadowing. Use short videos. 10 to 20 seconds is enough. Use content you enjoy, movies, speeches, podcasts, vlogs. Do it daily for 3 minutes. That's all you need. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on rhythm and flow. Record yourself once a week and compare. You'll see massive improvement. Tip 5. Learn phrases, not grammar. English speaking is not grammar first. It's phrase first. Here are 10 powerful phrases you can start using today. By the way, actually, let me think. You know what? I'm not sure, but that sounds great. Can you repeat that? What do you mean? I totally agree. That's interesting. When you use phrases, your English immediately sounds natural. Tip 6. Practice with micro dialogues. Most people practice long paragraphs and get overwhelmed. Instead, practice tiny real-life conversations. Let's do some now. Repeat after me. At a shop. A. How much is this? B. It's 200 rupees. A. Can I get a small discount? At work. A. Do you have a minute? B. Sure, what's up? A. I need help with this task. These micro-dialogues build real confidence. Tip 7. Speak 5 minutes a day, non-negotiable. If you speak English for just 5 minutes a day, your fluency will skyrocket in 30 days. Here's a simple routine. Read 5 lines aloud. Watch one short English clip. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds. Shadow one sentence from a native speaker. Small steps, big results. Remember, English is not a subject. It's a skill, and skills improve with practice, not perfection. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'm ready to become fluent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.